Fly's good. We got our target. Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day, whether it's morning there or not. Today is gonna be fun. Today we had a plan to go pheasant hunting around noon, and where we're going pheasant hunting is about 20 minutes from where we deer hunt. So Lauren and I decided to come out early, do a little shed hunting. Well, I'm shed hunting, I don't know about her. I told her to go over about 80 yards and walk the edge of this field, but I haven't seen her move her head. So I'm not too sure how she's looking for antlers. But oh well, we're having fun. Haven't found anything yet, but we've only covered about 300 yards. Most of the bucks should be dropped by now. It's like February 24th or something, 25th. But today's mostly about the pheasant hunt. And I might even try with the recurve. I'm gonna give it a go here in just a little bit, maybe practice with it and see how I am with aerial targets. She's got a pretty goofy outfit on. It is muddy though, in her defense. And she's wanting to have her normal clothes for when we pheasant hunt. A lot of snows in the air today. A lot of snows. I got a little sidetracked from Lauren. This is pretty cool down here. I was trying to get a hold of her, let her know I'm gonna be circling around this pond. A lot of these deer we've been seeing later in the year have been coming up out of this draw down here on this water and headed up to the alfalfa up top. So I'm following these trails back and trying to get in where they're bedding. I haven't ever been back here before. There's a lot of spots on farms that I won't even touch. If I can tell from a map that it doesn't have good access, but it's got good potential for bedding, I won't touch it during season or anytime before season. I'll wait till this time of year when the trails are very obvious and hopefully there's antlers on the ground. One of the bucks that made this exact move that I'm talking about was the muley buck in the late doe season. I saw him. I got a little bit of footage of him, but I was so much more worried about trying to get the shot at the doe that I just want to make sure I had some footage of him. But he made this exact move. He came up the hill behind me and into that alfalfa field. So it's got to be one of these trails he was on. So they're protected from the water all on this side of the hill. And then so all they got to worry about is predators mostly from that way. And with the wind in their advantage, it's a perfect spot to bed. And right as I flipped the camera around, there were 3 deer here 30 yards away that hopped up and wobbled off. But if you guys got any pointers on purring with a mouth call, I can do it okay with my tongue. But I'm trying to get it with my throat. I can't hardly, this is the best I can do. I can't quite get it right. Any pointers, let me know. But I'm gonna come up here and start looking for some antlers where these deer were bedded. A lot of times I look for big blowdowns because those big bucks usually like to tuck up into those, but they could be anywhere in here. That sucker right there almost got me. Perfect color, and then that white pedicle. Not. Lauren's back with me now. Me? No, it is. I saw this antler from like 50 yards away, and I was literally like, there is no way that's an antler. Oh yeah. Hold on, let me focus. Now we get to see if we know what buck this is. That's a big antler. It's the muley buck. Oh my God. I'm not even kidding you. This is literally the antler we came in here to find. Is that him though? Because I thought he broke his right side, or did he break his left side?
He broke his left side. This is him.
Holy cats. Hold it up. Let me
Holy
see
cow.
it. What do you think? Shooter?
Yep, for sure.
That's crazy. I literally said that's the antler we're in here to look for. And I looked up, I've never seen one where it was like,
Kind of.
literally like I just saw his pedicle and I almost looked right past it because it looked like more like a sapling cut off the way it was sitting. And I'm like, I look at Lauren, I'm like, there's no way that's an antler. Like that's literally what I said. I wish I was recording. And she's like, no, that's an antler. She could see the brow tine. My eyes aren't good enough, but that's insane. That's him. That's the deer we got footage of. Lauren had an opportunity at this buck with the gun during second season, but opted not to shoot him because he had broken his left side right after his G2. I saw him during late doe season, and I was excited to see he was making it and living on us. We had on trail camera, knew he was a shooter. That's an awesome deer. He's gonna be a stud too. That's exciting. That's him. We never got him on trail camera down here either.
Nope.
Yeah! That made the trip worth it. Sweet! Here you go, sweetie. That's awesome. So we're just kind of sitting here thinking, kind of grid searching the area a little bit. And we've come to the conclusion he must have dropped that in the last 2 days because it's really muddy. It's been raining hard the last 2 days. And before that, it was super dry. So for his antler to stick in the ground, it had to be probably a day or two ago. So it was kind of cool. I couldn't believe it stuck like that. It was neat. I'm excited. Biggest shed this year. We're down here in this big clear cut now, walking around. We're actually just trying to mostly get through it. We're not too worried about shed hunting in it because it's pretty wet right now, but all of our stands, for the most part, down around the timber, revolve around this clear cut. These deer love this. This is where all those bucks were running around looking for that hot doe again when Lauren had the close call with that 10-pointer. I've hunted from, where's that blowdown? There's a blown over tree right over there. Leaning into another tree that I've climbed up and hunted from. The ladder stand, it's right over this way. The lone wolf was right over here, and that's where we're trying to get to. So this is like our core area that we don't touch during deer season at all. So we're just trying to cut through it now.
I don't want to break it.
Just jump, come on. You can
Don't
do
wanna
it.
get
Throw the
pedicle
antler.
dirty.
Here, toss it to me. Don't jump with it. Hey, I found a shed. Hold on. Don't.
Oh my god, babe! You said hold on in mid-jump.
It's a little windy, but we're gonna try this anyway. So it's pretty breezy. That battery's running low, and I need to save as much juice, but we're gonna try this a couple times. Flu arrows, Kodiak Magnum, some muzzy judo point thing. Am I good here?
Yeah. Ready? How far?
As far as you try to go underhand like that.
Okay.
Look how pheasant would fly.
Ready?
Flush him. Rooster! Ooh, that was close. Oh!
You're always under it.
under it.
I know.
I want to do it again. I'm getting him this time. You good?
Right there, yeah.
Rooster! Oh my word! All right, so we are heading in to get a bite to eat real quick, and then we're going pheasant hunting. We haven't told her dad yet about this shed though, so we're gonna show it to him as soon as we come back
Alright,
out.
so we're out here where we're gonna hunt pheasants, foul play. My dad hasn't seen the shed yet. We haven't told him we even found anything. He's gonna be pretty stoked when we show it.
We did find him. Let's see how birds and stuff fly.
What do you think?
I think it's gonna be fun. I haven't shot at a bird in probably 3 years, so we'll see what happens.
I probably won't shoot the most birds today, but I'll certainly have the coolest hat. I'm turning your camera.
Ho, Hank. Dixie, ho. Nose him up. Nose him up. I know you know how to point, but I'd like you to nose it up, please. Right there. Right there. Right
Oh, oh.
Too far, Hawk. Hank. Good shot.
Nope.
Is that loud? Once they're down, he's on them. So we jumped 6 of the 8 chucker. Dogs are looking for the last 2 right now. I think we only let 2 go. That's not too bad.
Oh, hurry.
Was he just pointing because they were? Huh?
I don't know.
Bird.
Oh. Oh.
Let's go, no birds. Let's go, no birds.
He went down. All right, so I'm taking the recurve out now. I'm turning Adam over to the camera, so we'll see how it goes. I'll have the GoPro behind me, so this should be fun. What we call Rooster.
No. Where are you going? Oh, Jess!
Oh.
Now. They're winding right here. They're winding it, winding it. Let's go, too far. Oh. Oh.
Pretty close, just a little low.
I'm watching Tim. I can't do both. Oh. Oh,
This is kicking my butt.
I don't know, but you might have hit that bird. I think I would have got him if you wouldn't have shot him.
That was right there.
You did. Smart.
No, I'm glad you shot him. Don't get me wrong. I'm just. Oh my. Oh, that was so close.